Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 13. Asobimasu, to play, to have a good time. Oyogimasu, swim. Mokaimasu, go to meet, to welcome. Tsukarimasu, get tired. Dashimasu, take out. Misi ni hairimasu, enter a shop. Misi o arimasu, go out of a shop. Kekkon shimasu, marry, get married. Kaimono shimasu, do shopping. Shokoji shimasu, have a meal, dine. Koen o sanpo shimasu, take a walk in a park. Taihen, hard, tough, severe, awful. Hoshi, want, something. Sabishi, lonely. Hiroi, wide, spacious. Simai, narrow, small room. Shiyakoshu, city hall. Puro, swimming pool. Kawa, river. Kezai, economy. Bijutsu, fine arts. Tsuri, fishing. Tsureoshimasu, to fish. Soki, skiing. Soki oshimasu, to ski. Kaige, meeting, conference. Kaige oshimasu, hold a meeting. Toroku, registration. Toroku oshimasu, to register. Shumatsu, weekend. Goru, about time. Nanika, something. Dokoka, somewhere, someplace. Onaka ga sukimashita. I'm hungry. Onaka ga ippai desu. I'm full. Nodo ga kawakimashita. I'm thirsty. So desu ne. I agree with you. So shimashou. Let's do that. Gochumon wa. May I take your order? Teshuku, set meal. Gyudon, bowl of rice topped with beef. Shoshu, omachi kudasai. Please wait for a moment. Betsu betsu ni, separately. Russia, Russia. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. Jamata.